So now I'm going to read the title poem. You can see that I think my husband worked hard on this cover because the title poem is a love poem. Sounds of Morning. Sleep has infused his brain with energy transformed into words. I watch his mouth moving, his disheveled silvery hair, his familiar faraway look. I try to stay focused while he lectures on theories of black holes, the ninth planet, evolutionary development, how the brain works, religion, politics, and ultimately solutions, not always pretty. Squinting in the pale light of early morning, I silently review our numbers, years behind, years ahead. Our feet touch, rustle the sheets as he decodes the puzzle of the very earth I simply tread upon. I used to wonder why he shares these early morning rambles with a woman who hasn't read a science book since the 6th grade, until one morning he pauses and says, "Say something." I raise my eyebrows. Why? "I like hearing your voice," he says tenderly.